Add a Smart Single power point to your Excel LifeSmart installation. Please note, wiring to be done by a licensed electrician only. It's time now to open your Legrand Home Plus control app. Press the settings icon. Add product. Press Legrand. Select power outlet. If you haven't done so already, turn off the main switch in the load center, then press Next. Wire the Smart Single power point using the instructions provided. Let's turn the main switch back on and wait a moment until the gateway reconnects to the Wi-Fi. You'll also notice that your Smart Single power point will turn red. It's now time to associate the Smart Single power point with your existing Excel LifeSmart installation. If you have a wall gateway, press and hold both buttons of the wireless master switch until it flashes green, then release. If you have a DIN rail gateway, press and hold the front button until the green light appears. Before proceeding to the next step, check that all of the lights on your wired products are green. This can take a few minutes. Wait for your product to be loaded. Allocating the Smart Single power point to a room. If the Smart Single power point is located in an existing room selected from the list, otherwise add a new room. Press the button on the Smart Single power point. Your Smart Single power point pops up on the screen. Click on it to rename it. Once you've allocated your Smart Single power point to a room, press Finish, check your installation on the screen and confirm. To control your Smart Single power point, click on the room it's in and toggle it on or off. For more information, visit our website or discover more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.